If you've seen this brand before, you already know it doesn't make ordinary kitchen products. Ninja keeps changing the way people cook, and it's happening faster than most people realize. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this brand is everywhere right now. Today, we're counting down 11 of Ninja's most impressive Amazon inventions. Every product mentioned is linked in the description below. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. So, let's get right into it. Shark Ninja Brewing System. Some coffee makers just brew coffee, and then there's Ninja, which seems to understand what you want before you've even thought about it. As you've seen throughout this video, this brand doesn't rely on flashy gimmicks. It also keeps coffee and tea completely separate, so the flavors never mix. A small detail that makes a noticeable difference in taste. You can even brew iced tea or iced coffee at a lower temperature for a smooth, naturally sweet flavor in just 10 to 15 minutes. Simply select the type of tea and the system automatically determines the correct temperature and brewing process for you. It's built for households where everyone drinks something different, letting hot coffee, iced coffee, and tea all come from the same machine without cross-contamination of flavor. For coffee lovers who also enjoy tea, this eliminates the need for two separate machines entirely. Ninja Woodfire Series. Some grills do one thing well, and then there's this one, which feels like it belongs in a completely different category. It instantly becomes the centerpiece of any backyard gathering without any extra effort. Its all-in-one functionality delivers 100% real wood-fired flavor, running on standard 120-volt power while producing professional-grade grill performance, the same searing and browning you'd expect from a full-size propane grill. What's surprising is that you get authentic smoky flavor using just a small amount of wood pellets, almost like carrying an entire barbecue setup inside one compact unit. You can sear, smoke, and grill in the exact same session without switching equipment or losing consistency. Instead of juggling multiple outdoor cooking tools, everything happens in one place, saving both time and patio space. For anyone who loves hosting, this turns an ordinary weekend cookout into something that feels genuinely restaurant quality, all from one surprisingly compact machine. Check today's Amazon price in the description below. Ninja Thirsti Max. Turn the dial and within seconds you get a completely different drink without opening a can or manually mixing anything yourself. It lets you adjust intensity, carbonation level, and even combine flavors to create something you won't find in stores. What's interesting is that every glass can turn out differently without any extra effort, softer, stronger, or fully customized depending on your mood. You can go from a light, refreshing drink to a bold, intense mix without switching systems or complicating the process. It's built for households that can't agree on one drink, letting everyone create their own version in seconds. Instead of stocking dozens of cans and bottles, one machine handles endless combinations, cutting down on both cost and clutter. The whole experience feels less like using an appliance and more like running your own private soda bar right on the kitchen counter. Check today's Amazon price in the description below. Ninja Toaster Oven. This isn't just an oven. You can go from crispy fries to perfectly cooked meat, or even dehydrate food without switching equipment. The built-in thermometer handles precise cooking, so there's no need to open the door or guess. It works quickly, saves space, and can handle full meals without feeling limited in capacity or power. You can cook multiple servings without creating bottlenecks and store it compactly when it's not in use, which is especially useful for smaller kitchens. It's a smart pick for anyone short on counter space who still wants full-size oven performance. Instead of owning a separate toaster, air fryer, and dehydrator, this one unit handles all three jobs, freeing up valuable kitchen real estate while still delivering consistent, professional-level results every time you use it. Ninja UltraCrush. You start with hard ice or dense ingredients, and within seconds they break down as if they were soft. Powered by a 2-horsepower motor delivering 1,500 watts of professional-grade power, this blender is built to deliver smooth, consistent results with every use. It easily crushes ice into snow thanks to total crushing technology and the 72-ounce XL pitcher. It also lets you blend directly in the 18-ounce personal to-go cup. Meanwhile, the 8-cup food processing system lets you chop vegetables with precision for fresh salsa or create silky sauces and dressings. This is the kind of blender built for people who make smoothies daily in meal prep on weekends, since it handles both jobs without switching machines. Whether it's a single smoothie or a big batch for the whole family, it doesn't lose power or consistency. Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. Ninja took all that power and packed it into a compact system with glass containers that let you cook, store, and reheat without ever switching containers. You can throw together a quick meal in minutes or prepare something more elaborate without creating a mess, and everything still comes out crispy as if it were made in a much larger machine. Plus, since the containers are glass, you can watch the cooking progress without opening or interrupting anything. It includes the Ninja Crispi Power Pot, 4-quart and 6-cup borosilicate glass containers, plus 2 storage lids with secure locking. Its 4-in-1 functions include Max Crisp, Bake, Air Fry, and Re-Crisp, letting you cook crispy meals or bring leftovers back to that same fresh-out-of-the-fryer crunch. It's a smart pick for anyone who hates dishes piling up after air frying. Ninja Combi Multi-Cooker. Ninja combines steam and hot air at the same time, creating meals that stay juicy on the inside and perfectly crisp on the outside. You can prepare full meals, including proteins, vegetables, pasta, and grains all at once, cooking up to 50% faster than a traditional wall oven. It can even work directly with frozen ingredients, taking them from freezer to table in under 30 minutes without losing texture or requiring extra steps. Thanks to its all-in-one functionality, it replaces several separate appliances and helps cut down on kitchen clutter since everything happens in one space with fewer tools involved. Cleanup is just as simple thanks to dishwasher-safe accessories in a tray that doubles as a serving dish. For busy weeknights, this single machine essentially replaces a steamer, an oven, and a stovetop, letting you build a complete dinner without watching 4 pots at once. Ninja Foodi Personal Blender. Now you no longer have to stop, stir, or help the process along. It just keeps running and turns everything into a thick, smooth texture at the same time. You can prepare smoothie bowls, creamy blends, or lighter drinks using the exact same system. Swap the cup and it feels like a completely different machine. Everything responds quickly without complicating the process. In the end, it becomes one of those tools you end up using far more often than you expected. It's powered by a 1200-watt peak motor with smart torque technology, capable of handling heavy loads without struggling, plus auto IQ programs for one-touch smoothies, spreads, and bowls, along with pulse function and manual speed control for 6 total settings. For anyone who blends daily but hates cleaning a bulky pitcher, this personal-size system solves that problem completely. Ninja NeverDull Knife Set. You cut into something, and instead of crushing it, the knife glides straight through with almost no resistance. That feeling doesn't fade over time because the block automatically sharpens the blade every time you use it, keeping the edge consistently sharp without any extra effort. You don't need to learn special techniques or buy additional tools because everything is built in and works almost invisibly. The handle feels secure and precise, giving you more control with every cut. For anyone who's tired of dull knives ruining prep work, this eliminates that problem completely, since sharpening happens automatically in the background. It's the kind of upgrade you don't notice until you go back to using an old knife set and immediately feel the difference in performance every single time you're in the kitchen. Ninja Outdoor Warmer. Ninja stepped out of the kitchen and decided to take over outdoor spaces too, with something that completely changes how you enjoy an evening outside. Here you can choose flames, heat, or both within seconds using a simple dial with no smoke, no ash, and no lingering smell on your clothes afterward. You turn it on and it's ready almost instantly, like a bit of modern magic. It quickly becomes the spot where everyone naturally wants to gather. It also includes simple controls that let you turn it on, turn it off, and adjust both flames and heat levels with just one knob, eliminating the wait for wood to catch or burn down. Whether it's a backyard hangout or a patio dinner, this turns outdoor entertaining into something effortless instead of a chore involving firewood and matches. Ninja Slushie. This looks like just another machine until you realize you don't need ice to make perfect slushies. You simply pour in your favorite drink, and before long, it transforms into something completely different, with a smooth texture that's usually hard to achieve at home. It turns any moment into something more fun effortlessly, thanks to rapid chill technology, an innovative two-part system that spins a screw around a cooling cylinder to freeze the liquid evenly while keeping the ideal temperature for icy drinks. Temperature and texture controls deliver consistently smooth results for up to 60 minutes at maximum capacity, while drink preparation can take between 15 and 60 minutes, depending on the ingredients, volume, and starting temperature. It's an easy way to bring the frozen drink shop experience home, whether you're making slushies for a party or just treating yourself on a hot afternoon.